Oh, snap. What up, y'all? We back with another step for you. And you almost see me fall. Can't be doing that. All right. Anyway, so what we going to work on today is that shuffle turn. We're going to start with the right. So when we do it, we can count with an 8 count. So it can be 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7. Do it again with the 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So as you know, with the shuffle turn, when we're starting with the right, you're going forward, and when you're doing the opposite side, you're going to do it with your left leg first. So as you can see, that was that 1 and 2, 3 and 4, left, 5 and 6, 7, 8, right, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, left, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So if you did it on the left, you want to close up, it's going to be a 1 and 2, 3. Now with the right, 5 and 6 and 7 with the left, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, as you can see. All right, so we're going to get a close up so you won't be distracted by my beautiful shirt. You're going to look at my feet first. 5, 6, 7 on the right. It's a 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7. And I'm going to do the left. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, right, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, left, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, right, 5 and 6, 7, 8. All right, now you got that shuffle turn. You can either do it with that count or do it with them feet. But thank y'all for watching. We got more steps coming. Keep tuning in, keep subscribing, show your friends, show all that so y'all can be ready, because it's going down. Peace out. Talk to y'all later.